Boss Don. So today we're here for a very exciting video. For the first time in a long time, I'm unboxing something that I not only love, well, I love a lot of stuff I unbox, but it's just that I not only love these shoes, you know, y'all seen the title, y'all probably already, so you got an idea what it is, Adidas Times Wrath. But the thing is, I'm very excited because I haven't seen these in person quite yet, so I'm very excited to see them in person. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. If you're already a Boss Don and part of the Don family, then go ahead and leave a comment right now and try to guess what color I got of the Ralph Simons. And if you feel like you want to wait to the end of the video to comment, then that's cheating, one. But two, you're a sore winner because you could have just tried to guess. It would have been fun, you know. It would have been fun. I'm trying to make this a little funner for us. But whatever the case is, I got these off Essence. They were $320. I believe I have a US size 7.5, and I don't know how the I got that size. I could have sworn I got an 8, so we might have some problems. But whatever the case is, without further ado, let's just open this box. Okay, it's really a snug box, and little piece of styrofoam here. Then we have a card. It's a high gloss Ralph Simons Times Adidas card. And just let you know in some different language. Due to the exclusive design and materials, these shoes are not guaranteed to perform like Adidas athletic shoes. Unique materials are at times used on our products to create distinctive looks. These materials will require special care. Some recommendations include avoiding damp environment, prolonged exposure to sunlight, and other conditions that may stress the materials. Because these dead materials can be stressed. Alright, and so I'm assuming this is some shoestrings in here. I'm so glad that I have sucky light because I can't even tell what color this is. These are some extra shoestrings. Always need new shoelaces. No matter how good you clean your shoes, you'll always be able to tell by the laces. It's just like no matter how good you are, how your age, you can always tell someone's age by their hands. Or like the little gum line between their teeth. Alright, so now we got the shoes. I'm just going to unbox them. Alright. Yo, oh my god, it's like taking candy out of a wrapper, yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they showing up how like they show on the TV. I mean on the computer. What the? These are freaking beautiful. Yo, these are beautiful. Black Soul chrome toe. It's like plastic, yo. But this shit don't come out. Well, it's got a little movement to it though. Yo, when I tell you, yo, these are tough, yo. These are tough. I cannot wait to do the on foot. I gotta try them on right now though. I gotta know if I can fit them or not, because they did say 7.5. I'm trying to undo these strings. Of course, they won't hold me back with these strings. Of course they do. They don't want to see me win. They don't. Let me see. These brand new, so I can put my foot up on the couch. It's funny because I don't know the sole looks oh shit. Okay. Alright, so these are the type of shoes that are definitely difficult to put on. I guess because the outer shell is so hard, it makes it hard for me to put on. Oh no. Oh no. They fit though. They definitely fit. Let me see. Cool. I cannot wait to wear these, yo. Hold on, let me kick my feet up this way. They fit good. And my toe with the 7.5, these must be cut big a little bit because my toe doesn't really hit the top. It's like somewhere like right here. So these must be cut big. Look at these, yo. These look so good on my feet, yo. These might be the revival of the Pink Dawn, you know. Like no cap. These might revive what it means to be a Pink Dawn. Like for real. Like this pink leather, they smell so delicious. But these are the type of shoes you don't want to, like people will be like, oh, can I touch your shoes? But it's like, no, because you're going to get your fingerprints on them. They get messy really easily. These are beautiful though. And this is, I think this shoe is worth way more than $320, by the way. Like way more than $320. These are just tough. This color is like a dope ass color. Let me turn the lights down so y'all can get a better idea of what the color is. It's still kind of hard to tell. Alright, there you go. See? It's time to take thumbnails. I bought some Raf Simmons to match my tongue. Alright, so now we're just going to jump right into the on foot. Bucky, drink your dance.
Okay, your socks a little dingy. This is it. This is it.
Alright, boss dons. As you can see, I have not adjusted the light quite yet. Alright, boss dons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's just like a lot of the other videos. It's just me showing shoes, me giving you my opinion. So some major or some key details when looking at these shoes, just in case you didn't catch it at first. The price was $320. I told you I bought a US 7.5 and I typically wear an 8, so they are cut a little big in my opinion. I also have wide feet and the shoes were difficult to get on, but yet they still fit great. So that probably lets you know that they're cut a little big. Other than that, there isn't really much more to know about the shoes. I gave you the price. I told you I bought it from Essence. I told you they were $320. I told you that how they fit. I hope that information serves you well. Other than that, we can always do a how to style or something. Just let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see. As I probably already stated somewhere in this video, my name is CurtisDonDeano. For the most part, if this is your first time watching my channel, and I'm going to start saying this a lot more now, but if this is your first time watching my channel, subscribing would mean a lot to me. Other than that, what will also, mean a lot to me would be you comment and let me know what you think about the shoes. So, as always, stay untouchable. Godspeed.